Hi parents and kindergartners. This is just a quick video how to show you how to get into Zoom. One way is to click on the link that I sent through Parent Square, but I also found it that it's easier if you go through the email on your student's Chromebook. So when you log in, it should look something like this. It says Clever. I have more apps than your child does because I'm on the teacher account. You will scroll down or wherever yours might be, and you're gonna look for this button that says, or app that says Google Mail. So you're gonna click on it, and your child actually has an email. So if you need to email me or get in contact with me, you could do it that way. I am also gonna be sending things that I sent through Parent Square and ClassTag through Google Mail. Just so there's three different ways they could get information. So make sure that they don't miss anything. So you will click on Google Mail. It will open their mail. It will look something like this, that it's from me. Well, this is their email, but I don't want to. It looks like that. So you would just look for mine, and then it will say Zoom. So you will click on it. You will click Open Zoom, and then you would test your computer audio, and it's waiting for the host, which is me. It would be on. I already ended this one, but it will look like this. You would test your audio. It's going to ask you to use your computer audio. Please select yes and select yes to the video so I could hear and see your child. Based on our meeting this morning, this was the easiest way to go about it. But if it works on your phone with your app, make sure your volume is on. That was kind of a difficult area this morning. But yeah, I found this to be the easiest. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'm still working on having Zoom meetings. We had a little one this morning. I know it was very impromptu. I had a couple kids come in, but it was nice. Some of them were having difficulty, so I'm able to find the answer for that. But I'll send emails maybe like an hour prior to the meeting or maybe the night before. I'll try to vary it from having them in the mornings and in the afternoons. If you have any questions, please email me, send me a Parent Square or a ClassTag, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.